Have you ever asked yourself, what do you need when you play badminton? Hello, smart ESL Path friends. Let's join me in this video to learn 10 badminton equipment. Today, we are getting ready to play badminton. Badminton is a fun sport. We hit a shuttlecock back and forth over a net. But before we can play, we need the right equipment. In this video, we will learn about 10 equipment that you need to play. Let's go.
1. Racket. First, we need a racket. Can you say racket? A racket is what we use to hit the shuttlecock. It has a handle and a round part with strings. Hold your racket like this. Grip the handle tight. Wave your racket in the air. Great job! 2. Shuttlecock. Next, we need a shuttlecock. Some people call it a birdie. It is small, light, and has feathers or plastic at the back. It flies when we hit it. Let's pretend to toss a shuttlecock into the air and hit it. Wow, that's fun! 3. Net. Now we need a net. The net goes in the middle of the court. We hit the shuttlecock over the net to the other side. Let's imagine we are standing near the net, and we see the shuttlecock coming. Hit. Did you get it? Yes, you did. 4. Court. We also need a court. A court is the place where we play badminton. It has lines to show where we can stand and where the shuttlecock must land. Sometimes we play indoors, sometimes outdoors. Do you like playing inside or outside? 5. Sports shoes. Don't forget sports shoes. Sports shoes help us run fast and stop quickly. They also help us not to slip. Let's put on our sports shoes, tie the laces, and jump up and down. Yes, we are ready to move. 6. Clothes. Badminton players wear comfortable clothes. A t-shirt and shorts are great for moving easily. Stretch your arms, stretch your legs. Now you can run, jump, and play. 7. Grip tape. Some players use grip tape on their racket handle. It makes the handle softer and easier to hold. Let's pretend to wrap grip tape around the handle. Nice and tight. 8. Wristbands. We can also wear wristbands. These keep the sweat away from our hands. Put on your wristband. Strengthen your wrist while playing. 9. Headbands. We can also wear headbands. These keep the sweat away from our eyes. Perfect. No sweat in your eyes while you play. 10. Bag. And last, we need a bag to carry everything. We put our racket, shuttlecock, clothes, and shoes inside. Now we can take them anywhere to play.
Let's do a quick check. What are these? These are shuttlecock. What is this? This is a racket. What are they wearing? They are wearing comfy clothes. What is this? This is a badminton court. What is he wearing? He is wearing sports shoes. What is this? This is a badminton net. How many words can you spot? Racket, shuttlecock, bag, sports shoes, water bottle. Now we have everything: a racket, a shuttlecock, a net, a court, sports shoes, comfy clothes, grip tape, wristbands, headbands, and a bag.
We are ready to play badminton. Let's go to the court and have fun.
I hope you have checked all our previous videos. If not, then please check it out now. Like, share, and subscribe to Smart ESL Path and upgrade your English today.